So, good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the application of the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We'll learn how to find out the product of any two given numbers easily with the help of this identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Students, you can see some questions are written here. Find the product. The first question is 98 into 102. So what we need to do here to multiply this, let's solve the first one. In between 98 and 102, the nearest number whose square we can easily find is 100. So this 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 into 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Okay, students, 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 and 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now let's compare this with the identity which we have already written here, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here we see this is a minus b into a plus b, and this is simply equal to a square minus b square. So according to this question, students, the value of a is 100 and b is equal to 2. So simply let's apply the identity a square minus b square. So here we get the product will be equal to a square, that is 100 square, minus b square, which is equal to 2 square. Now let's write the square of 100. Square of 100 is 10,000. Minus 2 square, which is equal to 4, and 10,000 minus 4, that will be 9,996 is 98 into 102. So this is your answer. Okay, students, let's solve second part. The 63 into 57. Now the 63 can be written as 60 plus 3 and 57 can be written as 60 minus 3. So when we compare this with the identity, we will get a is equal to 60, b is equal to 3. See, the numbers are same, 60, 60, 3, 3. नंबर सेम होना चाहिए, केवल बीच में साइन चेंज हुआ है, बीच प्लस और माइनस का साइन, एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, दोनों पॉजिटिव नहीं होंगे, दोनों नेगेटिव नहीं होंगे, एक पॉजिटिव होगा एक नेगेटिव होगा. ओके, नाउ व्हेन वी अप्लाई द आइडेंटिटी, लेट्स राइट द आइडेंटिटी फर्स्ट. a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we get here 63 into 57 is equal to a square, that is 60 square, minus b square, which is 3 square. Now 60 square is 3600 minus 3 square is 9. So when you subtract 3600 minus 9, you will get 3591 is the answer. You can check the product just by simply multiplying it. 3591. Next example, students, 79 into 81. 79 can be written as 80 minus 1 and 81 can be written as 80 plus 1. So A is 80, B is 1. So applying the identity, we'll get A square, that is 80 square minus B square, which is 1 square. 80 square is 6400 minus 1. So the answer is 6399. Oh, very simple. You need not multiply this. We'll see the large numbers also we can multiply with the help of this method. Students, the identities are very helpful for multiplication. Very helpful. Let's see the next number. You can see here the number written is a little bit larger number. 996 multiplied by 1004. 996 into 1004 d part. Now again let's see 996. Nearest number whose square is easily calculated, that is 1000. इन दोनों के बीच का वो नंबर होना चाहिए और वो नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए हम दोनों नंबर को प्लस करके और 2 से डिवाइड कर दें. So we get the number in which we have in the form of which we have to write. So 996 can be written as 1000 minus 4 and 1004 can be written as 1000 plus 4. So again the value of A is 1000, very easy students, and value of B is 4. So the product will get 1000 square minus 4 square. 1000 square 1 का स्क्वायर होता है 1 बच्चों. अब यहाँ पे 3 जीरोस लगे हुए हैं, स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 6 जीरोस आ जाएंगे. 6 जीरोस 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 0 minus 16 1 6. We just subtract it. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9 here, again 9 here, again 9, 9. It is 9,99,984 is the product. So very simply you can, in a very simple way, you can just find out this type of products by using the identities. Let's see if it is in decimal. Again the similar process. If it is 9.6 multiplied by 10.4. बच्चों A की वैल्यू कैसे निकालना है ये आपको बता दूं. A की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए बड़ा आसान तरीका है. देखिए फर्स्ट वाले में A फाइंड करने के लिए हमने क्या किया, 98 प्लस 102 डिवाइड बाय 2. ये आ गया आपका 200. इसको 2 से डिवाइड किया तो A की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 100. अब आपको बाकी दो नंबर्स को जैसा हमने फर्स्ट में लिखा था 100 minus 2 100 plus 2 ऐसे लिखा है. Similarly for the B part we can have this 63 plus 57 divided by 2. You will see you will get 120 upon 2 and this is equal to 60. Very simple one. If you see the C part you have 79 plus 81 divided by 2. 160 upon 2 that comes out to be 80. तो बच्चों ये जो वैल्यू आपको यहाँ पर दोनों को प्लस करके 2 से डिवाइड करके जो मिल रही है ये वैल्यू होती है a की। अब आप यहाँ पे इजीली, जैसे 98 है, a की वैल्यू थी 100, तो 100 माइनस 2, 100 प्लस 2, तो b की वैल्यू हो गई 2। 60 प्लस 3, 60 माइनस 3, तो b की वैल्यू हो गई 3। 80 माइनस 1, 80 प्लस 1, तो b की वैल्यू हो गई 1। Similarly, if you see the d part, this is, इसको अपने आप कैलकुलेट कीजिएगा बच्चों। 2000 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 दैट इज 1000, तो a की वैल्यू होगी 1000, और इसको हमने लिखा 1000 माइनस 4, 1000 प्लस 4। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, e part। इफ यू सी, लेट्स सॉल्व इट। e part पहले हम देखेंगे a कैसे फाइंड करना है। e part, a will simply be equal to 9.6 plus 10.4 upon 2, that is 20 upon 2, means it is 10। a की वैल्यू आ गई 10। अब फर्स्ट नंबर जो है आपका 9.6, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 10 माइनस 0.4, और सेकेंड नंबर हमारा होगा 10 प्लस 0.4। सो वैल्यू ऑफ a is 10 and b is 0.4। So when you apply the identity a square minus b square, you will get it as 10 square minus 0.4 square। Simple calculation now, 10 square is 100 minus 0.4 का स्क्वायर करना है बच्चों, 4 का स्क्वायर होता है 16। यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद एक डिजिट है, स्क्वायर किया तो जो नंबर आएगा उसमें डेसिमल के बाद आपके पास 2 डिजिट होना चाहिए। तो यहाँ से काउंटिंग करो 1 2 और डेसिमल लगा दीजिए, सो वी गेट 0.16। व्हेन यू सबट्रैक्ट you will get 99.84। so this is the answer। okay students, next question is find the value of x if 4x is equal to 375 square minus 125 square। This is use of this identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square। We have to use this identity। Now we see we have this part right hand side, if you see it is in the form of a square minus b square। राइट हैंड साइड के फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है, आपको इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के फॉर्म में लिखना है। तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का फॉर्म यहां पर क्या होगा, दिस इज a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी। सो लेट्स apply this identity here in the right hand side of the question। so we'll have a is equal to 375 and b is equal to 125। value of a is 375। a की वैल्यू क्या है बच्चों, a की वैल्यू है 375 और b की वैल्यू है 125। now let's solve। left hand side we have as it is 4x is equal to, अब ये a square minus b square के फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है, आपको इसको लिखना है a plus b into a minus b। a plus b, तो a हो गया 375 प्लस b हो गया 125 into a minus b 375 minus 125। now simple addition, simple subtraction we have here। so 375 plus 125, this is 500 into 375 minus 125, it is 250। अब आपको बच्चों x की वैल्यू फाइंड करना था, तो 4 को इधर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, When we transpose 4 to that side, so here we'll get x is equal to 500 into 250 divided by 4. Cancel it out. So here we get, simplify करने, 2 2s are 4, 2 125 times और 2 से यहाँ कैंसिल कर दिया तो यहाँ आपको मिल जाएगा 250. Okay, now let's multiply. So we'll get 25 5s are 125, 5, 12 is the remainder. 25 2s are 50 plus 12 is 62. Now 6 is the remainder. 25 1s are 25 plus 6 is 31. 31250. और एक आसान तरीका बच्चों देखिए, और ये जो 250 लिखा हुआ था इसको मैं 125 into 2 लिख सकता था. 125 into 2. अब 125 का स्क्वायर आप याद करें, हम डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं 12 into 13, that is 156, 15625 और मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए इसको 2 से, so you will get 31250. This is the value of x here. So students, be careful. We need to apply the identity whenever it is mentioned in the question. We'll take some more examples. Next question, students. It is 756 square minus 244 square is equal to 100x. Again we see in this the left hand side is in the form of this identity a square minus b square. So now this a square minus b square, this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. तो बच्चों a की वैल्यू है आपके पास इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग 756 और b की वैल्यू होगी 244. तो यहाँ पे लिखना है आपको a plus b, a minus b. a is 756 plus b is 244 into a 756 minus b 244. This is equal to, right hand side is as it is, that is 100x. अब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे सिंपली बच्चों. 756 plus 244 we get 1000. चेक कर लें. 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10, 7 to 9 1 10,000 into 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 4 1, 7 minus 2 5, 512 into 1000 is equal to 100x. Therefore x will be equal to 1000 okay, so 1000 into 512 is equal to 100x. So x is equal to 1000 into 512 divided by 100. सिंपली बच्चों कैंसिल कर दीजिए, 100 और 1000 को कैंसिल किया, so we get x is equal to 5120 and this is the answer. Thank you students, have a nice day. You will be getting some more questions. You can complete exercise 9.5, 7th question as well, and I'll be attaching one worksheet with the video. Solve the worksheet and have a nice day. Thank you.